What does Trump's latest legal move mean for the upcoming election? Former President Donald Trump has filed an appeal challenging a ruling that allowed Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis to continue overseeing the Georgia election interference case. This appeal has the potential to delay the trial significantly. The Georgia Court of Appeals has agreed to review the decision. As this legal drama unfolds, the stakes couldn't be higher. Why does Trump want DA Willis disqualified? The core of the appeal lies in serious allegations against both Fani Willis and Special Prosecutor Nathan Wade. The contention revolves around purported improprieties in how they handled the election interference case. Despite these accusations, Judge Scott McAfee decided that while Wade would resign, Willis could continue her role in the prosecution. Trump's legal representatives argue that Willis's involvement constitutes a form of political persecution, claiming that her actions are biased and undermine the fairness of the trial. They assert that her disqualification is essential to ensure justice and to prevent the misuse of the judicial system for political gains. With these allegations, Trump's legal team pushes vigorously for a re-evaluation. What could this appeal mean for the trial timeline? The appeal against the decision to retain Fani Willis as prosecutor in the Georgia election interference case could introduce significant delays, particularly with the presidential election on the horizon. The Georgia Court of Appeals has set a framework with up to 45 days to decide on the appeal, but the entire process could stretch even longer, potentially affecting the trial schedule. Moreover, should the appeals court find merit in the claims against Willis, we may see the appointment of a neutral prosecutor. This change could not only reset the momentum of the case, but also alter its direction entirely, as a new prosecutor might reassess the charges or the approach to prosecution. Every legal maneuver now could shift the trajectory of this high-profile case. As we await the court's decision, what should we keep an eye on? The crux of the matter involves Trump's appeal, allegations of misconduct, and a likely delay in the trial. Watch closely for the court's decision on the appeal and any requests to pause the proceedings. This case could significantly influence the landscape of the 2024 presidential election. Stay tuned as we continue to follow this unfolding legal saga that could reshape an election landscape.